Now to the United States, where President Trump has escalated his attack on social media companies, signing an executive order to strip big tech platforms of legal immunity for content posted by users. Mr. Trump has been fuming since Twitter added fact-checking links to two of his tweets earlier this week. He said regulation is needed to prevent companies such as Twitter, Facebook and YouTube from engaging in political activism. Twitter called the executive order a threat to innovation, freedom of expression and democratic values. Well, Ray Suarez is following the story for us in Washington, D.C., and he joins me now. Ray, Donald Trump is very angry over this. He's promising what he calls big action. But what hurdles does his executive order face?
The President of the United States can't change legislation, can't change the law of the land simply through executive order. This would either have to be changed by Congress in passing a law, or this effort to change the regulation under which social media lives would have to pass judicial review, that is, be overseen by appellate courts. Legal experts give both options very little chance of succeeding in the current atmosphere. President Trump would need the cooperation of congressional Democrats to write a new law with these new provisions in his executive order, and the courts, which have taken not very kindly to laws that might do violence to the First Amendment to the U.S. Constitution, well, he'd have a very tough time in court as well. So it's unclear whether Donald Trump is saber-rattling, just firing a shot across the bow of these social media giants, or really means to go to war with them. They've been a very important part of his publicity campaign ever since he was a candidate back in 2015.
Ray Suarez in Washington, D.C., thanks very much for that analysis. Well, still to come.